Hello, teacher and partner. My name is Vanessa Tapia. I'm 28 years old. I live in Barranquilla with my husband, but in that moment we don't have children. Not yet. That's the idea, but not yet. I started to learn English when I was 18 years old in the Colombo Americano. So for that reason, I think that I have that level, not advantage level, but I consider that I'm intermediate level. I think so. I don't know. So when I finished to study English, I decided to study administrative human resource. After that, when I finish, I'm really be a teacher. So for that reason, I start to study bachelor in English. In that moment, I'm a teacher that I consider that I need to improve and better my English in the listening skill, speaking skill, and writing skill. So I'm consider if we put in practice if the different kind of strategy to improve our English, we can do it. So, but I have a three specific strategy that I need that is very important to put in practice. So the first one, I think is that if you practice all time, if you speak all time with a native, you can improve in a short time your English level because you are going to improve your pronunciation, your intonation. You are going to get a new vocabulary, and the way that you are going to express is going to be different and more fluency. So the idea is that you try to speak with a native, or if you don't have a native people or person that you have to practice, try to speak with your partner or friends that study English at the same time with you. That is a good strategy to improve your speaking level. The second strategy that for me is very important is the structured grammar. If you try to put in practice the structured grammar for making a sentences or answer the questions, the form in you are expressed is in a correct form, and that's so good when you are going to make an interview or having a conversation or to present a test. So for me it's very important to review all time the structured grammar. um, Sometimes the teacher or the people said that if we guide with the structure, it's gonna be very difficult that you try to speak. But in my case, for me it's very important to practice structures, and that's the way and in which I'm come to have that level. So the three reasons that for me is very important is to listening all time music, watching a video in English, movie in English, because if you try to put in practices in a listening way, in a listening form, you are going to get the three important for me reasons. That is, you are going to practice the pronunciation. If you listening, you are going to practice the pronunciation, the intonations. Then you are going to get a new vocabulary, a new form to express. And the third, you are going to practice all the three skills just in a one. So for me, it's very important to practice English every day and try to put in practice all the three strategy. For me, it's good, but I consider that I need to improve more to get an advantage level. That's my idea. That's my goals. So, teacher, be happy to be here in that encounters in that semester because I think that I'm going to improve much, and that's the idea. So thank you for all for watching that video. Bye bye.